You've heard about the live music, BBQ, and rich culture that define the city, but we're here to go deeper. Today, we're unlocking 25 hidden gems that make Austin so much more than just a tourist destination. From secluded swimming holes to secret taco spots, we've got you covered. Stick around, because after this, you'll see Austin in a whole new light. Number 25. Barton Springs Secret Side Pool. Barton Springs is a must-see, but the real move is finding the secret side pool. Just around the corner from the main pool, it's the same crisp, cool water without the crowds. Locals head here for peace and quiet, away from the hustle, to float in serene waters. It's like having your own private oasis. Number 24. Mayfield Park's Hidden Peacocks. Mayfield Park is home to lush gardens and ponds, but did you know it's also home to free-roaming peacocks? These colorful birds casually stroll through the grounds, adding an extra touch of magic to this peaceful spot. Wander the park and discover the beauty and feathered surprises of this hidden Austin treasure. Number 23. The Broken Spoke's Secret Dance Lessons. The Broken Spoke is Austin's most famous honky-tonk, but locals know the real secret. Show up early for the beginner two-stepping lessons. Before the crowds flood in for the live music, you can learn to dance like a true Texan with a partner. Afterward, you'll fit right in when the band starts playing. Number 22. Mueller Lake's Butterfly Bridge. Mueller Lake is a great spot to relax, but hidden away is a colorful pedestrian bridge known as the Butterfly Bridge. It's a piece of art in itself, offering a peaceful, secluded spot for reflection and a cool Instagram photo op. The vibrant colors of the bridge add a pop of whimsy to an already beautiful area. Number 21. The Secret Gardens at Ladybird Johnson Wildflower Center. This botanical garden is a must-see, but take a stroll off the main paths, and you'll find secret gardens tucked away like something out of a fairy tale. These quiet, shady spots are full of wildflowers, trickling fountains, and secluded benches, perfect for a moment of solitude in nature. Number 20. Deep Eddy's Chill Morning Vibe. Deep Eddy Pool is Austin's oldest swimming pool, fed by natural springs. While it's popular in the summer, the secret to enjoying it fully is to go early on a weekday morning. You'll practically have the pool to yourself, and it's the perfect way to cool off during Austin's hottest days. Number 19. The Cathedral of Junk. If Austin's motto is, "Keep Austin Weird," then the Cathedral of Junk is the ultimate shrine. This massive, evolving art installation in a local's backyard is made entirely of discarded junk, everything from bicycles to kitchen sinks. It's a hidden gem that perfectly captures Austin's creative, quirky spirit. Number 18. Secret Street Art at Joe's Coffee. Joe's Coffee is famous for its "I Love You So Much" mural, but just around the corner is a rotating wall of vibrant street art that locals love to admire. Constantly changing and always interesting, this hidden wall is a showcase for local artists and makes every visit feel fresh and new. Number 17. The Hidden Rooftop at Native Hostel. Native Hostel is already a hip spot for food and drinks, but its hidden rooftop is the real gem. Escape the crowds below, grab a craft cocktail, and enjoy stunning views of the city from the secret perch. It's the perfect hideaway for a chill night out. Number 16. Unmarked bars on Rainey Street. Rainey Street is known for its bustling nightlife, but the best bars are the ones without signs. Tucked inside old houses and food truck parks, these unmarked bars offer a more intimate, laid-back vibe away from the crowds. Next time you're there, keep an eye out for these hidden watering holes. Number 15. The Secret Tunnels Beneath. Beneath the University of Texas lies a labyrinth of tunnels that most people don't even know exist. Built for utility access, these tunnels have become the stuff of local legend. While you might not be able to explore them, just knowing they're there adds a little extra mystery to the campus. Number 14. Dry Creek Café and Boat Dock. For an old-school Austin vibe, Dry Creek Café is the perfect spot. Perched above Lake Austin, this dive bar is famous for its no-frills atmosphere and stunning sunset views. Grab a cold beer, sit on the porch, and enjoy the laid-back charm that makes Austin feel timeless. Number 13. Spiderhouse Café. If you're looking for eclectic, funky Austin, Spiderhouse Café is where it's at. This quirky spot is filled with vintage furniture, string lights, and local art. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, a cocktail, or catching live music, It's the kind of place where creative souls gather. Number 12. East Austin's Hidden Tacos. Austin is all about tacos, but the real magic happens at the hidden food trucks in East Austin. Veracruz All Natural and Rosita's Al Pastor serve up legendary tacos that locals swear by. These spots are a must for anyone looking to taste the real flavors of Austin. Number 11. Mount Bonnell at sunrise. Mount Bonnell is known for its stunning views, but if you really want to experience its magic, go at sunrise. Beat the crowds, and you'll witness a breathtaking view as the sun rises over the city. It's one of those peaceful moments that makes you feel like you've got all of Austin to yourself. Number 10. Sculpture Falls' secret swimming hole. Sculpture Falls is tucked deep in the Barton Creek Greenbelt, and the hike to get there is part of the adventure. Lush greenery surrounds you as you make your way to this peaceful swimming hole, where the water is cool and the crowds are sparse. It's a hidden gem for locals looking to escape the city heat. Number 9. Franklin Barbecue's pre-order secret. Franklin Barbecue is the place for Texas BBQ, but locals know how to beat the lines. Pre-order online. While everyone else is standing in line for hours, you can swoop in, grab your brisket, and be on your way. It's the ultimate BBQ hack. Number 8. The secret bat colony hack. Instead of cramming onto the Congress Avenue Bridge to see Austin's famous bats, try this local trick. Set up in the grassy area on the south side of the bridge, or rent a kayak for a unique view from the water. You'll get a closer, less crowded view of the bats as they take flight at sunset. Number 7. Midnight Cowboy's Speakeasy entrance. Midnight Cowboy is an unassuming building on 6th Street, but ring the right buzzer, and you'll be let into one of the coolest speakeasies in town. With dim lighting and expertly crafted cocktails, this hidden bar is the perfect place to escape the chaos of 6th Street. Number 6. Ladybird Lake's Hidden Island. Paddleboarding on Ladybird Lake is a local favorite, but for those in the know, there's a secret island in the middle of the lake that's perfect for a secluded picnic or a peaceful escape. Only accessible by kayak or paddleboard, it's a hidden gem that lets you get away from it all without ever leaving the city. Number 5. Secret hikes in the Barton Creek Greenbelt. While most people stick to the main trails in the Greenbelt, locals know about secret paths that lead to quieter, more secluded spots. Discover hidden swimming holes and peaceful hiking trails far from the crowds, perfect for those looking to reconnect with nature. Number 4. The Seaholm Power Plant Tunnels. The Seaholm Power Plant is a historic Austin landmark, but beneath it lies a network of hidden tunnels from the city's industrial past. These tunnels are closed to the public, but knowing they're down there gives the Seaholm district a mysterious edge. Number 3. Secret Graffiti Park. Though Graffiti Park at Castle Hill has closed, the spirit of Austin's street art scene lives on. Keep your eyes peeled around the city as artists continue to find new walls to transform into vibrant canvases. It's an underground art movement that stays alive, even as the city grows. Number 2. The Moonlight Towers. Installed in the late 1800s, Austin's historic Moonlight Towers are easy to miss but worth spotting. 17 of these towering structures still stand, lighting up the city in a way that harkens back to a different time. Take a walk around town and see if you can find them. Number 1. Hidden music venues. On South Congress, Austin's live music scene is legendary, but the real magic happens in unmarked venues tucked away on South Congress. These intimate spots host some of the best up-and-coming artists and local legends, far from the big stages. If you want to experience Austin's music scene at its core, this is where you need to be. And that's a wrap on Austin's hidden gems. Whether you're visiting or you've lived here forever, these 25 spots are guaranteed to give you a fresh perspective on the city. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button for more insider guides. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.